So we ended the previous lesson with an app component that renders three other components: the logo component, the text component, and the link component. But the beautiful part of React is that this relationship of having a parent component that renders a child component can go on many different levels and layers deep. So just to show you how this will work, let's try extracting just this chunk of the app component into its own component, which I will call header. So right here, I'm going to define my new React function component. So I'll say const header. This will be a function that returns JSX. And right here inside, I'm going to do the return keyword. I'm going to provide my parentheses just so I can break up the JSX across multiple lines. I'm going to copy and paste this code right here. Paste it in here, fix some of the indentation issues. There we go. And now, in my app component, I'm going to delete the former code and simply render one header component like so. The exact same syntax, self-closing tag, and there we go. And when I save the file, our browser will refresh and nothing has changed, right? And that's kind of the key takeaway. Our app component is now rendering a single header component within itself. And this header is what we call a child component. App is the parent component that renders the header child. And within the header component, that component is the parent to its own child components. In this case, header is the parent component, and logo, text, and link are child components. And this relationship can go many different levels down and levels deep, right? It might seem kind of obvious, just like in real-world HTML, we can nest elements within elements within elements, right? We could have a header that stores a div, that stores a UL, that stores an LI, that stores a paragraph tag, so on and so forth. Same exact principle in React, except in addition to being able to write regular HTML elements, we're also able to render components in our JSX like so, as many levels down and deep as we want to go. All right, that's all there is to take away from this lesson, so I will see you in the next one.